pretty unique program here and a pretty unique setup. We go from the first year is just really hands-on, tons of building. It's all about, just making mistakes and getting better. And then the second year is primarily online so that the students are able to go out and work.
I actually got my contracting license and started a business in February. I'm still in the class and I'm still learning things, but at the same time, I'm going and doing jobs and getting paid.
I took the one-year certificate program. I learned how to do rough builds, but I also learned more finished carpentry stuff.
I've learned a lot of the basics of how to build residential buildings. It's super interesting to see how actually simple it is for all the components to come together.
I'm pretty flexible if students need to come in on other times, occasionally, to make up work or to make things happen.
I have a 2-year-old and I'm also the stay-at-home dad. So the flexibility of working with a teacher is very relieving because you're able to spend time with your kids and also be able to pursue something that you're passionate about.
Our key is to, there's life out there that people have to work with, and we'll work around that as best as possible.
Really, there is so much out there and there's so much that colleges have to offer, and it's not just always cracking open a textbook. There's a lot of more hands-on things that can be super interesting and super, inspiring for you to see what you're into and what you're good at.